Hello and welcome back, guys. Today I'm going to be showing you how to create a box and whisker plot in Python. Why would you want to know how to do this? Well, maybe you'd like to display certain statistical factors such as median or the first quartile, etc. of your data using a box and whisker plot. So I'll be showing you how to create a box and whisker plot in Python today. Check out the video description as I'll try and leave written instructions there. So let's get started. I've imported pyplot from matplotlib as plt, which is what we're going to use. I have also imported numpy as np, but I don't think we're going to be using that today. So first, I'm just going to type up my data. So that's essentially my data set that I want to create my box and whisker plot from. My data is in the form of a list. So creating a box and whisker plot in Python is really easy. So you're just going to type plt.boxplot, which is just the boxplot function in matplotlib's pyplot. And the first entry here is going to be our data, which is x. And that's essentially it. That's all you would need to actually plot it. So now if I just say plt.show and run it, as you can see, this gives me a box plot. Although if I'm being completely honest, I don't really like a vertical box plot. I prefer a horizontal one. So in order to get a horizontal box plot, what you can do is inside the box plot function, you can say vert equals 0, and now if I run that, it takes away the vertical box plot and gives me a horizontal box plot. And yeah, you can basically customize this plot using several other things. You can change the color, etc. But this is just an example of a simple box and whisker plot. So there you have it, guys. If you wanted to know how to create a box and whisker plot in Python, this is the easiest way I know how. And if you know of another way, then leave a comment below and make sure to subscribe for more videos.